Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today I have my little sous chef, Sofia Rose. Look at the camera. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Hey, everyone. So today we are going to make a vegan gluten-free banana muffin because we have too many bananas here, and one of our clients is vegan, so we made this for her for one of our breakfasts, and she loved it. So now we're going to get into the recipe. So you ready? My little baby girl's been mashing bananas here. So we have some bananas. We have about 4 bananas in there, nice and ripe. Now we're gonna add the flax meal. That's what makes this that's what makes this vegan, because you have flax meal. It's a great substitute for eggs. Just mix this up with a little water, about 5 minutes. So here you have the flax meal with some water. We're gonna add that into the banana. Okay, baby? So here's what we're gonna do here. Let me take this, and you're gonna mix this up together like this. Here you go. Look at her. All right. Look at this little sous chef. Mix, mix, mix. We have some avocado oil. All right. We have some vanilla extract. Mix, 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 baby. Look at her.
It looks like honey.
It looks like honey, right? Mix, mix, mix. We have brown sugar. Ooh. And what else do we have? Are you ready? Ready for this? What is this? Applesauce. Don't you love applesauce?
Yes, I love applesauce.
Is that yummy?
Yes. I always want to have applesauce with apples.
I know, right? Where does applesauce come from?
Apples.
Apples. She's a smart little girl. So let's mix, mix, mix. All right. So we have the wet ingredients here. Let Daddy give you a little help here. You ready? Real quick. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, you ready? So we have gluten-free flour. I like using Bob's Mills gluten-free flour 1-to-1. We have some baking soda and a little bit of salt. So you ready, baby girl? Let's put the wet ingredients in here, and you're gonna mix it with Daddy. You ready? Oh, yummy! Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy. You can't see the flour anymore. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's mix. Here, you want to mix with Daddy?
I see flour now.
I know you do. Let's mix, mix, mix.
Come on.
Mix, mix, mix.
Come on, go faster.
Go faster, go faster.
Okay, go
I gotta get a
faster.
spatula. Keep on mixing. Go ahead. Ready? You want Daddy to help you? Here, let's take this out now. And now we're gonna get a spatula.
I'm gonna pass it, yeah.
Okay, go ahead, mix it in. Go ahead, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, girl. She's doing it. Go faster, girl.
Okay, I'm going faster.
Just go faster.
Fast, fast.
They're waiting to eat, everybody. Let me finish it up so we can put it in here now. Let Daddy finish this up. Ready? You did an amazing job.
I'm doing it by myself. I can do it.
I know you want everything to do by yourself, but let Daddy give you a little bit of help here. You ready? Watch this. Watch this. Here we go. Okay. See that? Okay, let's go.
I'm doing it.
You do one last one. One last one. Go ahead. Go ahead. You did a great job. Now what we're going to do is we have a muffin pan here. We sprayed it down with a little bit of avocado spray, which I love, or you could use coconut spray. So I'm going to show you here. See? Boom.
It looks like ice cream.
It's like ice cream. Look at this. Bam.
Bam.
Bam. Right? How do we say it? Bam.
Bam.
Boom.
Boom.
See how easy? See? Gluten-free, super moist, and vegan for you vegans out there. Now, obviously, if you don't want to make this gluten-free, you can use regular flour by all means. You know, oh, it wasn't mixed too much there. That's okay. We got one last one to go. What do you think, Sophia? Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Are you excited? It's bananas, right? Don't you love bananas?
I love bananas, Dad.
This whole family loves bananas. All right, so that's it. We're gonna throw this in a 350-degree oven for about, what do you think? What do you think? About 18 to 20 minutes. Is that good? All right, so stay tuned and we'll show you the final product. Okay, we are back and these muffins are all baked off. What do you think, Sophia? Should we give them a try? They're still warm. Here, let's cut this one up. Here, you ready? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the goodness. Look at the bananas. You want to try? Let's see if it's hot. It's a little bit hot. Wow, that's a big bite. Let me see. Oh my goodness. This is so good. It's moist. You can taste the bananas in there. Right? What do you think? You like it?
Yes.
You want more?
Yes.
A little bit more. Okay. So the recipe will be below, and please subscribe to our channel. What do you think? Should they subscribe? Tell them, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel. We love you guys. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Yummy. Yummy. I love you. Give me a kiss. Aww, love this girl.